Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This is a ZILAMPU Heatless curling rod headband. And I like that it's kind of cute. I mean, I could still be doing my hair and doing chores around the house. And I really like this product, not just because the color is beautiful. It's purpley and also has this velvety material that is not, the hair doesn't easily slip off when you're wrapping it around. It also is filled with cotton, which makes it really flexible and comfortable to sleep in. Also, it doesn't lose its shape after several uses. I've been using it for months now, and as you can see, it doesn't lose its shape. Also, you can see the length of it. It's like you can have really long hair, like probably 23, 24 inches. And since it's really well made, you can take a lot of hair. Like you can, if you have thick hair, don't worry, girl. It will give you waves for days. And this is the final result. I really like it. And that's my point of view.